Now looking for texture, a nice crust, all the things that I feel like are gonna make a superior snapper taco. So on to my griddle, my fish goes. I've got, like I said, a light seasoning. And one thing that you wanna do is when you're cooking fish, let the fish cook, and when it's ready to release, it'll release. So while it's cruising, I'm gonna be working on my quick pickle salsa. So I've got some thinly shaved red onions. I've got some jalapenos for some color and some heat, because the salsa, you gotta have a little heat, right? I'm also gonna be adding some diced mango, because with that heat, we're gonna balance things out with some sweetness as well. And of course, I love to use a little bit of champagne vinegar. You can't pickle something if you don't have a good vinegar in there. I've also got some mango puree, a little bit of SPG. My quick pickle salsa is well on its way. I've got a simple sauce that I'm gonna be doing here. I've got some sour cream. I'm gonna probably do, let's just do 2 or 3 healthy dollops. Kosher salt, some black pepper, and a chipotle salsa. Now these 2 and 3 ingredients coming together really makes for an awesome, vibrant sauce that will go on top of our snapper. A little bit of that mango, and this is off to the races. My snapper was ready to turn. I've got some delicious, beautiful color going on there. I've got some flour tortillas today. If you guys like corn, go for it. I actually prefer corn a lot of times, but in this application, I'm just gonna do a light toasting right over here. Get these just warmed up for us, so to speak. Some limes, gonna go ahead and caramelize those right alongside my snapper. Probably gonna use that at the end, just a drizzle of lime juice. Caramelized citrus is a game changer when it comes to your food.
You know the funny thing here, CJ, these are very, very different dishes. Very, very different. They both essentially have the same components.
Yes.
Both have savory.
I love it.
Both have salty. Both have something sweet, something bright and fresh. Like, this is very interesting. This is very much an Asian style.
And this is hang out on the beach, Baja style.
I am a fan of both.
I am a fan of both as well. Crema going on here.
Yeah, I love all the flavor components that you had. Oh yeah, the mango, I bet, makes the heat a little bit more pleasant.